Welcome to the new CompTIA website. In this video, we will walk B2B customers through how to set up their customer profile, apply for a tax exemption, download a W-9 form, and how to apply for a line of credit. The first thing you need to do is ensure you are signed into your CompTIA account. If you do not have a CompTIA account, please refer to the account creation video for step-by-step instructions on how to do so. Signing into your CompTIA account will guarantee your best loyalty pricing as you navigate the store and purchase products. Let's go to our customer profile for guidance on applying for a tax exemption, downloading a W-9, and applying for a line of credit. Let's start by applying for a tax exemption by clicking on the tax exemption wizard. Choose your location from the menu of options. Next, choose a reason for requesting the exemption and answer any additional prompts. The wizard will display the identified forms and give you an option of uploading or creating the form. Continue answering any additional prompts and then complete the buyer information form. Make sure to fill in the information exactly how it would appear on any tax-related documentation. You can also upload additional documentation if necessary. Complete the form by providing your name, title, date, and signature, and click on Submit. After submitting your tax exemption documentation, CompTIA will make a determination and send a confirmation letter. Let's move on to the W-9 form. Simply click on Download the W-9 form to bring up the form in another tab. The W-9 form comes pre-populated with CompTIA's legal name, address, employer identification number, and authorized signatory. Keep this form on file to facilitate proper tax reporting, ensure compliance, and streamline vendor management processes. To apply for a line of credit, click on Line of Credit Request to be redirected to CompTIA's request form. Fill out the required fields with the requested information. We encourage you to also provide a detailed description of your line of credit request and provide additional support documentation if possible. When you are done, hit the Submit button to complete your request. CompTIA will make a determination based on a review of your request and a credit check. If you need help at any time, please use our chatbot or click on Submit a Request. Thank you for choosing CompTIA.